Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will crochet this granny rectangle. It's very super easy and it's used for maybe blankets and any of your crochet projects. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I'm going to count 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over to come right inside the hook that we had just touched, like this. So yarn over and make 2 double crochet in the same hook, same loop. So we get 1 as 1, 2, 3, chain of 3 and 2 double crochet, chain 2 again, make again 3 double crochet, chain 2 again, then we're going to come 1, 2 and then the third one, insert a hook, and in the second loop here chain 2, then leave 1 space and in the second loop chain 2, 1 in the second one, 2, yarn over, then you're going to come right inside here, the last loop, that way, and to pull through, one double crochet, the same loop, chain 2 in the same loop here, 3 double crochet again, chain 2 again, three double crochet, then chain 2 again. So now we're going to work on top of these stitches here. So going to work here on top of this stitch, the loop here, insert, pull through, yarn over, insert, yarn over, to insert right in this space here, yarn over again in the third space there, then chain 2, yarn over again in this space here, again in this space here, there, yarn over in the third space, chain 2, yarn over the space here, yarn over second one, third space, then chain 2. Then we're going to come here in this line of 3, come right over there, to make a slip knot. Okay, and as you see, this is how it's going to look like. As we have corners here, that one corner and the second corner, and we have this corner here and the second corner right here. Now to continue, a slip knot right there, pull through, make a slip knot that way, and in there that way, then chain 3. Going to make 1 double crochet, second double crochet, making 1 2 3 with this line of 3, then chain 2, again in the same space and to make 3 double crochet. So this is our first corner, so chain 2, one, 2, so we have our 2 corners ready on this side. So I have chain of 2, so yarn over, we're going to come on each of this space and make 3 double crochet. So space 1, chain 2, chain 2, 1, 2, right there. One, two, two, 1, 2, 1, 2. So as you can see, we've made a corner here and a corner here by crocheting 3 double crochet, chain of 2, 3 double crochet, chain of 2, 3 double crochet, chain of 2, 3 double crochet. So yarn over again, going to work in this space. chain 2, chain 2, then 1 2 3, this chain here to come right on top of this hook here, pull through and make single crochet, then just going to chain. As you can see, we put through this corners there and those two spaces there, stretch a little bit. So this is how it's going to look like, the one I have over here. Put right here, and you see we have one row missing here. So this is how it's going to look like. So I hope you like my video. Till my next video, and see you on next Sunday. Please like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.